Yeah, as you can see, we've got the fire going already. It's been on for a while. Um, yeah, so the menu on the menu this afternoon is a skaap ribbetjie or a sheep rib, and then some gali or some bread. I can't remember what it is. Yeah, cheese jalapeno roasties. So I'm just gonna put some spice on the ribbetjie, some dark color spice, so that we can just make it lekker, because that's how it's supposed to be. So yeah, the meat looks about ready. It looks like it's really doing well. And then I've also just on my smaller secondary roaster got the little braaibroodjies on it, and got that going. So it shouldn't be long now, and then we should be able to actually dish up. So see you soon. So yeah, we are ready to serve. If nothing else, at least it smells well. So yeah, let me just cut into it. I'm just going to turn it over. Just have a look at that beautiful brown meat that we've got here. So I'm just going to turn it over and then cut right into it. Yeah, that looks about right. So while I'm cutting the rest of the meat, I hope you enjoyed watching as much as I enjoyed making the video. And until the next one, keep on prepping.